Okay, here we go. I'm so excited. A Skin Room sent me a dope package and I'm ready to get all the way into it. I love sparkly and shiny things. So opening this package was just a lot of fun within itself. So let's get into the goodies. A Skin Room sent me this pineapple lip scrub and it just smells absolutely amazing. I can't wait to try it out. I've actually never used a lip scrub before. So this is going to be my first time using a lip scrub. Let's do it. It's also a peppermint lip scrub in my package as well. So again, we're going to get into these lip scrubs as we close out 2020. Now, this is a personalized, it's like a little soap bar, a face and body bar, but more importantly, it's all natural and I'm going to use it on my face. So I'm excited about that. I also have in my package a candle. This candle is from the sister company of A Skin Room. It's called Aiya Co, A and Company. And, it's always exciting to be thought of with different products. And I'm reading the label, and basically this is an all natural skincare line. The products are definitely not harsh on your skin. And so again, I'm just really excited for the opportunity to be testing out these products and experiencing how this is going to make my skin feel. Ultimately, that's what's the most important to me. And then everything just smells so good. Like everything smells amazing. That Santa Baby candle, I lit that already. And I was ready to get into it. So thank you to A Skin Room. Thank you to A & Co for thinking about me when it comes to these dope ass products.